Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
All right, well, let's talk about a Florida Lyft driver is accused of using AI-generated images to charge damage fees against teen passengers. So quite interesting.
All I got to say, Chris, on this is idiot.
Yeah.
You know, guess what? Okay, we know what this does. One bad apple ruins the whole bunch, right?
Yep.
Guess what Uber and Lyft are going to do now?
They're going to make it even harder for you to get a cleaning
As if
fee.
already it's not hard enough to get reimbursed for true puke stains and piss stains and whatever the hell we need to deal with, right? Now they're going to go, oh, well, now we have to figure out if this is AI or not. They delay the process for people who are justifiably sending in claims. You know what I mean? You're an idiot, okay? Whoever you are, you're an absolute bona fide idiot.
Here's the thing. I don't think this is actually going to be that big of a deal when it comes down to it, because what you don't realize is that when you generate images through AI, there's AI watermarks that are within.
Well, read the right side. That's what I did. That's how dumb this dumb shit is.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Like you have these things. So all the systems have to do is just say, have an AI check, and if they have the watermarks that are in there, and then all of a sudden it comes back as a red flag, you're not getting the thing, and you might get a warning or something that says if you are going to submit false claims because this was an AI generated image, you could lose access to the system. And in that right bearing, I think would be absolutely true. But when it comes down to an actual image that you are taking with the proper metadata that does not show AI imaging or AI watermarks or anything like that, then at that point, it would be much more real, and they could just go the same route that they've always gone. So I don't think that this could be a problem. I think, that all it is you're going to have stupid idiots doing this. I mean, we've already seen some other people who have talked about how they have faked cleaning fees to people so they can make extra money. They're fucking scumbags, and so they get what they get coming to them, and in this exact same case. But I don't think this is going to have a big impact when it comes to you and I are driving, or anybody in here is driving, something happens and you're taking an actual picture versus an AI generated to make it seem like it's worse than what it.
Well, they have made returns more difficult. They have made reimbursement on bodily fluids and pukes and whatever accidents more difficult. Now they require the cleanup to be professionally done, a receipt to be presented. And look, they're making everything difficult. And in the old days, well, no, that still goes on. The reason half of you email me saying, "Oh, look at this passive-aggressive email," is there were dumb shits who would go around the corner, wait 100 yards from the rider, and then cancel on time to collect the cancellation fee. And those have gotten tougher now. And all I'm saying is, like, for dumb shits like this, okay, first of all, not figuring out that there is a watermark. Look, man, what are you accomplishing? Why are you out there? Like, why? Just don't drive. Delete the app. Just go do something else. Go do something else, buddy. You know what I mean?
Like, you're completely stupid at doing that. Yeah. But there's a lot of morons out there. You can't fix stupid.
There is. You can't help stupid.
Yeah. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.